Hello, I'm Claire and I founded All About the Cooks because I believe that one day it will be possible to buy home-cooked food from local people wherever you are in the world. We're already doing this in Bristol and have ambitious plans. We all love home-cooked food, but it's not always easy to make that happen, so we compromise and eat too much junk or just boring food. However, living amongst us, talented people are making extraordinary food in their own homes. They'd love to share that with us and make some money out of doing it, but that's not easy either. That's where we come in. All About the Cooks is an online marketplace which gives people the opportunity to enjoy freshly prepared, authentic food while supporting their neighbours. You simply enter your postcode, choose your cook and food, and make the delivery and collection arrangements together. All the food is pre-ordered and cooks and buyers liaise about delivery or collection. This means we have no logistics to manage, which makes us highly scalable. Our customers are a very broad demographic, which means that we have a total addressable market in the UK alone of over £4 billion.
All About the Cooks is about supporting home cooks who love cooking. The direct local connection with their users will make them feel conscious and responsible of what they cook, as if they are cooking for their own family. That real and warm connection of people through cooking is the future I aspire to build. As the CEO of the world's largest online recipe sharing service, with 100 million users in over 70 countries, I am eager to bring my experience on building and scaling communities as a shareholder and a board member of All About the Cooks.
Since launching in Bristol, we've recruited over 60 cooks. They've taken more than 800 orders and earned themselves £28,000 between them. That's the thing I'm proudest of. In order to develop further, we're hoping to secure further investment. This will enable us to build a team and improve our technology, so we can launch in 6 more cities and recruit 250 more cooks in the next year.
Hi, I'm Tomer and I'm from Tavlin Kitchen. All About the Cooks give me the opportunity to sell my Middle Eastern food as well as the ability to make money on my terms. Since I signed up with All About the Cooks, I make £1,500 cooking food for people around Bristol.
We've loved choosing our food from All About the Cooks. The website's really easy to use, and it's really reassuring to know that all the cooks on the platform have had to go through really thorough hygiene tests and register with the local council. We've especially loved meeting the person who cooked for us and trying different cuisine from all around the world. We even used it for a special birthday cake once too, which was a huge success.
With almost 20 years of developing our own startup into an international business, you more than get a feel for what makes for a good idea, something that's genuinely different. Of all the concepts I've come across, All About the Cooks really stands out. Yes, it taps into the gig economy trend, which is something that in itself is of interest from an investment perspective. But what really makes it stand out is that it taps into themes of environmental, educational and community ideas that are very much of the social zeitgeist. All About the Cooks is more than just an investment opportunity. It's a force for good, and that's why I didn't hesitate in investing and getting involved with the founders at the earliest opportunity.
At All About the Cooks, we plan to revolutionise the way we eat at home, and we'd love to have you on the journey with us.